Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Higher Mathematics. In this video lecture, I am going to discuss next PYQ of real analysis asked in csirnet 2023. So our question is, an infinite set S have bisection with set of rational number, bisection with set of real number, bisection with set of S cross X, bisection with power set of X. So here we have to discuss option one by one. So first, here the set is infinite set. So for option first, if we take s is equals to q, that is rational number, then here from q to r, is there is any bisection is possible? If the function from q to r, here this the cardinality of this q is lf naught and cardinality of r is continuum number, right? So this is injective because this cardinality is smaller than this cardinality. So this is some injective, but this is not surjective, so it cannot be bijective. So this option is correct because for bijection, cardinality of its domain and cardinality of its codomain, that is a range, it's same, but here this is not same, so it is not bijective. Now we'll discuss option number B, bisection with a set of real numbers. Here also, if we take this is it is of option B because it is a real number. I have defined here B, so this is option B, so option B is correct. Now we'll discuss option A. If we take s is equals to r, okay, then f from r to rational number, that is q. So here this quantity is also continuum, the cardinality of real number is continuum and cardinality of this is lf naught. Here cardinality is not same, so this is also incorrect option. Now we will discuss option number C, bisection with a set of x cross s. If we take s is equals to q or s is equals to r, for q, f from q to q cross q, here this cardinality is also lf naught, this cardinality is also lf naught, so cardinality is same, either this or we can say f from r to r cross r. Here our cardinality is continuum number and here cardinality is also continuum number. So if the cardinality of the two sets are same, then we can say that there can be a bisection with this function. So this option is true. Now option number D, bisection with power set of S. Here if we take option number D and we take S is equals to q or r, if we take q, that is rational number, and f from q to power of q, and we know the cardinality of this q is lf naught and the cardinality of the power set is 2 to the power lf naught, that is equals to continuum number. So here the cardinality is not same, so we cannot say this is bisection, so this option is also incorrect. So option C is correct. So this is the concept based on the cardinality and the function also. So this is a solution of this question. If you dislike this video, hit the like button, and for more such video you can subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.